In this video, I will show you how to enable extensions on Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to find extensions, what you can do is come across to Google and Google search for the Chrome Web Store. And if you click onto the top result, that's going to take you to the official Chrome Web Store, which is chromewebstore.google.com. Now, from here, if you come up to the top left hand corner, you can see we got an option for extensions. Give that a click and you can scroll through and see the different extensions available. On the left hand side, you can see different categories, for example entertainment extensions, art and design, shopping, and so on and so forth. Now, to add any of these extensions, let's take for example the dark theme for Chrome. All you want to do is click it to be taken to the extension page, and you're going to see a blue add to Chrome button. So give that a click and then you can click add extension. That's going to add the extension to Chrome. Now, if you want to actually enable this, then all you need to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots. On this menu, you want to come and hover over extensions, and on the sub menu, click onto manage extensions. This is where you're going to find all your extensions, and to enable any of these, all you need to do is you're going to see a switch next to each extension, which you can turn on or off to either disable or enable the extension. For example, you can see the Adobe Acrobat extension I have installed is currently disabled, but all I would do is simply click the switch here to enable this extension. So that is how to enable extensions on Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.